Today I will be working on my Rube Goldberg machine. I'm gonna use this mini crossbow thing I made, and I'm gonna launch it at the herringbone machine method thingy majigger, and it's gonna go on. It's gonna hit some dominoes that are gonna hit some books and an iPad. So yeah, that's what's gonna happen. And the energy is transferred and given by, I give this rubber band energy by pushing into it, then I let go and it releases the energy, gives it to this shoots out and hits that. Okay, this is attempt 1. Hopefully I'll get first try because I do not want to reset up this. This is super hard to edit, so I'm just going to do this. So there you go. That's my Rube Goldberg machine. Let's go!